In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report fake reviews on KDP. If you've ever come across a suspicious review on your Kindle Direct Publishing book on Amazon and wondered how to report it, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure that your book maintains its integrity and that the reviews remain an honest reflection of readers' experiences. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the review in question on Amazon. Start by searching for your book on Amazon's website, then scroll down to the reviews section where all the customer feedback is displayed. Here, you're looking for the review that seems suspicious. Spotting a fake might involve noticing reviews that are too vague, overly critical with little context, or possibly repetitive reviews across multiple products. Once you've identified such a review, it's time to take action. Next, look for the Report Abuse link. It's usually located under each review, typically near the helpful buttons where customers can indicate whether or not they found the review useful. This option is crucial, as it allows you to flag content that might violate Amazon's guidelines. Clicking Report Abuse will direct you to a form where you can share your concerns with Amazon. This step involves submitting the reason for your report. This is your opportunity to clearly explain why you believe the review is fake. Be concise, yet thorough. You might want to mention any specific evidence you have or observations you made that lead you to suspect the review's authenticity. Remember, the more detailed your explanation, the better the chances Amazon's team can investigate your claim effectively. Now that you've done your part, it's time to wait for Amazon's review of your report. Typically, Amazon will examine your submission in conjunction with their review guidelines, and this can take some time. They will decide whether the review breaches their guidelines and take appropriate action, which might include removing the review or taking further steps if necessary. While it might feel like a wait-and-see situation, rest assured that taking the time to report these reviews helps maintain the integrity of the feedback system on KDP. Genuine reviews are invaluable to authors, as they shape potential readers' perceptions and decisions about your work. By ensuring that the feedback reflects honest opinions, you contribute to a fairer marketplace for both authors and readers. So there you have it, an easy yet effective way to report fake reviews on KDP. Hopefully, this guide has empowered you to take control of your book's reviews, ensuring they are authentic and fair reflections of your work. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that like button and subscribe.